Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Yongki. I am in 6th grade at YPSM Mangiran. In this video, I want to teach you how to make a simple food packaging. I will show you how. Prepare 1 sheet of oil paper. Fold the paper into 2 equal lengths. Fold again like this. Fold and shape into a triangle. Do the same as the previous example. Fold again with the same side. Bend 3 times. Turn the paper and do the same as the previous example. This is the result. Easy, right? Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.